Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating 2 DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, both of these wood items I did choose from the crafters section of the Dollar Tree. They're all fall wood cutouts. One of them is a pumpkin and one of them is a maple leaf. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Hello Fall. The host of this collaboration is Rustic and Lace DIY, and we also have Krista's Crafty Life. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. So now the first thing we're going to do here is get all of the painting out of the way. And remember, the raised wood on top of those shapes, you can do in a different color, which is what I intend to do. So now my name is Anna, and once again, I am the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So if you're not currently a subscriber, I would love for you to hit the like button and leave a nice comment and subscribe to the channel. So I'm not exactly quite a fan of this praying paint that they sell in the crafter section, but what it is good for, if you get this color, is very good for a stain. So what you can do is go ahead and brush it on and use a paper towel to go ahead and kind of just wipe that extra paint off. I'm gonna do that to both of the paints that I'm using on these items. Now what I did do is after I finished painting that raised wood, I went back and used that prang brown paint to restain the areas just in case I made some mistakes there. And that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I think these came out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back sides of these later on. Let's move on over to making the bows. I just decided I love this green and I love the jute twine together. So we're gonna make a bow with these because we're gonna use that to embellish. All right, so I was sitting there waiting for that glue gun to heat up. I'm gonna cut off that jute twine off the top. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make these stand-up decor or hanging decor. So I just left them as they were. Now, didn't that maple leaf come out absolutely gorgeous, and so did the pumpkin? Let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you, and amen.